Hey friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in ExpressVPN. Now, I currently have my ExpressVPN in Spanish here, and basically this means disconnect. And if I want to connect, I can simply click on connect and it's going to connect me to a long region, right? It's currently London. And so how do I go with changing, for example, my language? Click the burger menu in the upper left hand side, and then you want to click on the settings gear here. So you want to take this will take you into settings. Then on the upper right hand side, you want to click on this gear icon, and here you have the language. Click on that and switch to English or whichever language you want. I'm going to do that, then click accept or OK. It's going to restart and it's going to load it back into English. And I'm going to walk you through the steps in English so you can understand it. So once you're inside the app, click the burger menu in the upper left hand side, click options, then go to other, and then you have the languages. And that's it. You select what you want, right? Basically Italian, then click on OK, and it's going to restart and it will put it in that language for you. And that's it. That's how you change language in ExpressVPN.